Hello there. This is a little bit different of a video, but anyways, I'm going to explain what I'm going to be doing. It's been a long time since I've done anything with VENGE, but the community is looking for a way to mod things easier and just like organize mods in the game and organize the user script folder and stuff like that. So I'm going to create a C++ program and just a way to easily manage the VENGE client folder in the documents folder. So in case you are unaware, this is what VENGE looks like generally without mods. Although actually, at the time of recording this, it's been so long since I played this game that I don't know if they've updated any of the maps for the game. So we will find out, I guess. Okay, yeah, so they have not changed the way the game looks. This is what VENGE looks like without mods. All these textures you can see on the walls and the ground and the grass and everything like that, you can all change. Yeah, so I guess let's get started. Also, is it just me or like, is the menu look way nicer now? Whoever redid this menu did a really good job. So the basic thing that I have right now is just the application that lets you view all of the different assets for the game. And you're also able to import mods into the game. So let's say we go down here and so I want to import cream mod. Let's go down to the latest version, select the folder. So we're in VENGE client now, and we just click select folder and it'll think for a second and it's imported this folder. So I think the next thing to do is to get the naming in and to bake the actual assets for the game completely into the exe. Okay, so this is test number 1 of actually being able to mod. Let's see if it works. So we're going to import a file. Let's just go to my pictures and choose a screenshot to use as a replacement here. Sure, let's do this. Why not? Wall. Oh, because it's a PNG. I see. Okay, so actually what we need to do is update the window to basically convert from PNG to JPEG and have both at the same time for any imported files. Okay, so let's try this again. So we're gonna open this up, grab that for me. All right, and then create mod, test 1, create, cool. Import files, let's just choose a random screenshot that I have here, open, cool. Wall, select as, there we go, now we have all of our selections. Cool, wall, normal map, wall texture, I think. Let's do this one. I need to make it so that I can import, or actually I can map one image to multiple textures. Let's import, and let's just, oh my, what is this? Okay, let's screenshot that, and let's try this. Load mod, logs, apply completed. Let's test it now. I'm curious to see if this works. Play
At Silverwood, it's not just about the heart-pounding ride. It's about the stories you'll be retelling for the rest.
Bro, next. The charm duck? Wait, huh? Wait, what? Inventory, here we go. Charm duck? Yo, let's go. I don't remember which wall, just the normal wall texture is applied to generally, so I'm gonna have to find that. Didn't work, that sucks. So next thing we need to do is check documents folder and the VENGE client folder. Oh, we have a mess here. Oh, this is OneDrive though. Okay, so it turns out that we had to do it in the OneDrive folder for some reason. I do not know why the OneDrive folder is the correct location for this. Don't even get me started on OneDrive, but we're gonna just hard code it as, well, not quite hard code, but we're gonna have it manage both the local folder and the OneDrive folder because that's, I guess, what we're gonna have to do for it to work, but you know, who cares? So, yeah. Okay, so it is morning, and I woke up and it's gonna work on this again. It's frozen. Great. Okay, forgot VENGE is like this. Why is it frozen again? Okay, there we go. Let's see if this works better or not. Bro. Okay, so I'm realizing that using 4K textures in the game may not be a good idea. Yeah, here we go. Floor low. Import, and then load mod. Okay, let's try this again. Now watch it just not work again, because it... Oh, let's go. Okay, so it's genuinely kind of silly that I did that. Yep, we got it, let's go. It works. It works. Let's freaking go. Heck yeah. This is awesome. Dang, let's go. That is a success. So the next thing I'm gonna do is clean up the UI and make some of the actions a little bit easier to just like in the actual making the mod process. And I also gotta add a way to just generate textures, like sort of like just generate images for textures. And you can view all the different assets for it and the MP3s and stuff like that. And you just gotta go to load mod, or you can go to deploy, but in the mod editor, go to load mod. There you go. Now you open VENGE, add Mario Kart music. Okay, go to private match. Should apply the stuff. There we go. Now all this stuff is applied. All these gray textures we have are applied. And it was that easy. Alright, after I make some more development, I'm going to post another video, and I'll keep you guys updated. This should be done within the next, like, couple weeks. And if I'm lucky with school, then probably the next week.